In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity to create video content. We'll walk through a simple flow you can repeat every time you need ideas, structure, or ready-to-use wording for your next video. By the end, you'll know how to turn a loose topic into a clear, tailored script using Perplexity. First, open the Perplexity website in your browser. You'll land on a clean search style page. Think of this like a smart research and writing partner that understands context and can generate structured content. If you're on desktop, keep a Notes app or your editing document open side by side to copy anything useful as you go. Now, type your idea into the prompt box. Be specific about your video's goal, audience, platform, and length. Instead of a vague help with a video, try something like write a 60-second script for a vertical video explaining 3 quick tips for organizing a small kitchen in an upbeat tone. The more detail you provide, the more on target the result will be. You can include constraints such as word count, sections, or a desired structure like hook, main points, and call to action. If you want a particular voice, say so: professional, friendly, witty, or educational. You can even ask for an outline first and then a fleshed out script based on that outline, but start by clearly stating what you need. Click Submit to generate results. Perplexity will return a well-structured answer, often with citations if it referenced sources. Skim for flow, accuracy, and pacing. Ask yourself whether the hook grabs attention within the first few seconds and whether the main points can fit your intended duration. If the tone feels off, note exactly what you want changed so you can refine it in the next step. You can copy the draft straight into your editor, but it's usually best to iterate once or twice to tighten timing and clarity. Use the follow-ups to refine and expand. You'll see suggested prompts, or you can type your own. Ask for a punchier hook, shorter sentences for faster delivery, or alternatives tailored to different platforms like short form versus long form. Request variations on the title, a clearer call to action, or a simplified version for beginners. You can also ask for pacing notes, transitions between sections, or quick bullet-free cues for visuals and on-screen text. Each follow-up builds on the context, so keep your direction consistent and specific. That's it. Open Perplexity, describe your idea clearly, submit, and iterate with follow-ups until it fits your audience, platform, and length. Try this workflow on your next video and you'll go from concept to camera-ready script in minutes.